Let's put an interactive 3D model on your WordPress site in under 3 minutes. After installing 3D Viewer, open the Welcome screen. It handles every common 3D format, including GLB and glTF. And there are 3 ways to place a model: a Gutenberg block, an Elementor widget, or a shortcode. Start under 3D Viewer, add New, and give your model a name. On the Model tab, click Upload Source and choose your file. You can also set a poster image that shows while the model loads. The Settings tab controls behavior: mouse control, zoom, full screen, the camera button, and how loading is handled. Style covers width, height, alignment, and background color. Preview gives you a live look. When it's right, hit Publish. Now copy the shortcode from the top of the screen. Any page or post, add a shortcode block, paste it in, and update. And there it is on the front end, fully interactive. Prefer the block editor? Search for the 3D Model Viewer block and drop it straight into your layout. Point it at your model, add a poster, and switch on AR so visitors can view it in their own space. The Style tab sets size and background color. Save and your model is live. Visitors can spin it, zoom in, and explore every angle. Options let you toggle full screen, mouse control, lazy loading, the progress bar, zoom and shadows. Elementor works the same way. Search for the Model Viewer widget and drag it in. Pick your model from the media library, and it renders right on the canvas. All the same controls live in the Content tab. And Style handles size and background. That's 3D on your site, 3 different ways.